This is your local Dollarama selection. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, the real Princey, Princess P, Princey in a real life, you don't know. And welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm here. I'm back, baby. And I gotta send this to y'all before St. Patrick's Day. So I went to Dollarama and I walked through a couple of them, and here's what they had for St. Patrick's Day. It is a smaller selection than other holidays, but they got pretty good stuff nonetheless. Take a look. And don't forget, if this is the very first time you're hearing my voice, go ahead and stay with me. Stay with me. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff, baby. Do it. Let's go to Dollarama. Pull up to the Rama. I hope you guys saw a couple things that may make your St. Patrick's Day super festive. Go ahead and stay with me if you haven't already. I'm signing out. Thank you so much for watching. It's your girl, the real Princey. Big up all of my real ones. You done know so real recognized, real recognized, real in a real life. Yeah. Bye.